Hello, Shiver, all my fans, and anyone who's new to the channel. I'm the Shark Scrapper. This is Wednesday's Bites, and we are diving into an old gamer. And I can't tell if something was trying to get out of this thing or get back in. Come on, let's dive in and see what we've got here. And the first step to almost any computer scrap is take out the screws to the power supply, and then whatever screws are holding the side panel. We may have to go into the other side, we'll see. This one in particular, the way it's designed, the back part of it, it's an adapter. I'll show you. So it's an adapter. So one part was getting in the way of the other part. Gold connector pins. Man, there's some nasty in there. Spider webs and all kinds of stuff. Sound core, sound blaster. That's a shame it's in such bad shape. Oh, it's a double. It's also in really bad shape. Ugh. All right, so I'm gonna get this off of there, get the heat sink, the bracket off before I put that in with the slot cards, and the PCI or Goldfinger. There, right. Let's get a bunch of stuff untangled. It's a gamer console of some sort. Older one, judging from the condition of it. Yeah, it's a shame this is in such bad shape, because I know there's probably some folks who are saying, oh, just clean that up. That's a 750. There might be some life in there. And I don't know. I hate the idea of... That's just, nah, that's just, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to take the risk of even considering selling that to someone. Okay, well, I did just consider it, but, you know, that is in such bad condition. It's a shame if this hadn't been full of stuff. We got pine needles, and we got dirt, and we got sand, and God knows what else was in here. And we got a nice little radiator. Some of you know why there's a radiator on this, I'll bet. Yeah, we got a pin CPU. So there's our cooling system. Nice big chunk of copper there. I'm going to have to get inside of this just for the fun of it. Got a whole bunch of screws around here. I'm not going to do it on this this video, but we're going to take that apart just for the fun of taking it apart. I'll set you up there for right now. These screws down in here are kind of rusty, so with the rusty screws, I try to get as straight an approach as I can. So it's a brown board, and the screw has rusted into a nice brown color. So, all right, so we have a real nice board here in its day. We'll take this battery off, and we can pull that IC. With the yard that I sell these to, they don't mind if I leave the aluminum one, and I get paid more. So we'll just leave the aluminum on. And we have some brass risers here. And sometimes they get stuck, so I keep this tool loaded with the appropriate size socket. Makes it a lot easier when I need to just dive in and loosen them up. We're going to take off this panel too, because I think the CD is screwed in on this side. Fortunately, nothing decided to come running out at me. All right, well, the cable harness is wrapped in. Got those guys loosened up. Why did the CD not want to come out? The CD was just sort of jammed in there. It just needed a little encouragement to come out. So we have gold there. We'll cut that off. Now, if I do anything with this stuff, I'm going to be doing it myself. This really inexpensive ribbon wire like that. So I'm not that worried about cutting it very closely. In fact, if I'm going to have to pull this out of some sort of solution, it might be better to have a little bit more just to make it easier to grab hold of. So we've got another fan and another fan. We'll get these guys off of here, or gals, depending upon what sex you like to give your fans. Oh, that just sounded really wrong. Or not so wrong. I'm just going to leave it alone from there. We'll get the cable harness out of here. And then this is ready for shred. It is not aluminum. Sometimes these gamer shells are aluminum. So you want to check to make sure. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Wednesday's Bites. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And there's a link popping up to take you to more of my e-waste and Wednesday's Bites. Have a great day.